Minister of Health Dr. Christopher Tufton says he has received the preliminary investigation into the death of a 14-year-old girl at the Spanish Town Hospital on Tuesday. He was unable to say much, only that her death was very unfortunate. Jamila Maitland has more in this primetime news follow-up.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says he's visited the family of 14-year-old Anna Shea Campbell, who died at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine.
I'm very distraught about the situation. I fully appreciate and understand the sadness on the part of the family. And as I said, I visited the mom at her home, and we're tracking the situation to try and bring some comfort to them as best as we can while trying to determine exactly what transpired.
Dr. Tufton, who was speaking on the hotline with Emily Shields on Friday, wasn't able to give much details, only that there were complications.
Complications around pregnancy and issues around, a rare blood type of the mother. There was a surgical procedure that was advanced, and unfortunately that did not go well, as we know.
News of the teen's death has been crippling, especially for her mother, Christine Campbell.
She is selfish person, she don't know what's that happened to her right now.
She acknowledged that her daughter's pregnancy was high risk. It's why she says she signed the paperwork for the hospital to perform a C-section.
They explain it to me, say, mother, she may lose the uterus, or rather lose her uterus than lose her life. So I sign.
Maternal death remains a major concern in Jamaica. During an emergency press conference in June, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa McKenzie said the rate, now at 130 per 100,000 live births, is too high.
This is not something that is good, and I mean it's something we have a discussion about almost every day, in saying how do we bring down these numbers.
Come 2030, the global maternal death rate should be reduced to 70 per 100,000 live births. For smaller nations, 100 per 100,000 live births. To achieve that, it means countries like Jamaica must take steps to improve the care of expectant mothers up to the time they give birth and beyond. But with less than 6 years to go until 2030, is it too ambitious? Can Jamaica achieve this very important sustainable development target? Anna's mom weighed in.
Money can't buy back Anna's life, no? But me just want them to learn that if another thing like that for happen to another mother, at least them can try to do better.
Anna would have celebrated her 15th birthday on January 5, 2025. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.